Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is the Spigen Neo Hybrid S case that I decided to pick up. I've been getting a lot of requests to review this case, so here it is. The unique design, it has like a kickstand built in, but it's built in the frame of the case. But we'll get into it. We'll check out everything that we normally do. Can you wireless charge? The overall fit? Does it protect the hinge? How is the kickstand working? Everything that we normally do. How's the overall fit? But again, nice packaging from them. Plain and simple. With Spigen, you do get the little strips for, you know, adhesive strips on there. You get some extra stuff. You get instructions. But here is the case itself. So how, what? So that's the little kickstand. That is actually, which I think that is actually pretty cool. I like that little grip right there. You have some branding in the inside. Let's see, let's pull off this strip. Put this on first. Actually, let's get that one off too. Pull off all the little strips, I guess. They have enough strips on here. Make sure that stays. Alright, does it line up at the bottom? As you can tell there, it does. You don't have any hinge protection. The cutouts there line up. You do get camera protection there. And also, you get some lay down protection or front lip. Put it this way. You can put your phone down and not worry about scratching up your beautiful display. This is how it looks opened up. You do get some lip action all the way around too. The power button and the volume rockers are open. There's no thing there. And this little part of indentation helps you reach that. You do have some branding there, Spigen. I do like the little grip there. Gives you a little bit extra grip to hold on. Doesn't add much bulk to your phone. I mean, this is a big phone as it is, but it doesn't add much to it. And it stays on there pretty good. I do have the strips on there, so. But let's see this kickstand. How are you supposed to use this thing? So like that. Oh. What y'all think about that design? I mean, I guess you can do it that way. Nope, not that way. So the only way you can do the kickstand is that way. What y'all think about it? It's not bad. I think I like that design because it's not, it's just in there. So you flip it up and you can lay it down. Now, can you do it this way? I guess you could do it that way too. Maybe if you're watching a video or something, but it's pretty much straightforward on there. So the best way is that way. Now, can you wireless charge? Let's find out. Yes, you can wireless charge. There's no problem. I didn't think you would, but what y'all think about this overall case? I like this one. I might have to rock with this one for a little bit. But again, if you want to pick it up, I will have the links in the description. You can get it from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and a couple other phones that I won't mention yet. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews to become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.